Okay, you see this big place right here? So there's a bunch of stairs, and then there's kind of all these billboards right here. It's kind of a cool little space, and then you can sit on these stairs and just kind of look out into this part of the city. And actually I really enjoy sitting right there on those stairs, and there's a few people already sitting there, so I'm going to join them in a minute. But usually what I do, and I'm going to show you what I do, is I go over and I get some pizza. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're walking towards the place that I know we can get some pizza. And let me see. This one. This is it right here. Hello. Let me see. I'm gonna get these two. Those two pieces of pizza and Coca-Cola. Yep. $45. Okay. There's 100. So we're gonna get that pizza right there. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay, so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna stand over here, and we can just kind of rest here. And then this is kind of a cool spot just to kind of watch and see all the different people everywhere. And you can see these guys here, there's policemen. They usually navigate everything. So yeah, right there's a policeman, and then there's one, we'll turn it around in a minute. And there's another one over there too. So basically they go all the way down the line, and they'll basically just kind of, and right here's a big school, Puching Middle School. It's right up there on the sign. So so they'll kind of navigate all the traffic, more kids and things going back and forth. So and that's our pizza point right there. And we got our pizza right here. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. So now we got our pizza. That was pretty quick, right? And we're gonna go find a place to sit. So usually I come back over here. There's no seating in that particular place, but there is seating up here. So usually I can just grab this, and I'll just grab a seat up here somewhere. So let's grab one, maybe right there. It's a perfect spot. Yeah, I usually just put it right down there like that. And then usually everybody takes these escalators here. So I'm gonna open up this. Let's take a look at this pizza before I turn it off. There it is. It's a perfect place just to sit back, enjoy some pizza, and overlook the street view for a while. Chiquinha, chiquinha.